What's good, everyone? Welcome to the No Boss Empire channel. You're with your host Jarvis Pang. Super excited to be here. Thank you all for tuning in. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a workflow within getresponse. Okay, let's head over to my screen. Okay, so now we are in the dashboard of getresponse. So to create an automated workflow, go to the menu here, go to automation, and this is where we can create a workflow. Create a new workflow. Let's create a new workflow together. Here you can create build from scratch. You can win back. What they have is different templates for you to use, really depending on what's your goal in mind. Okay, here you can win back, which means you can win back non-engagers and remove contact who don't respond. And then here you can list cleaning, true text, and scores. So there's 8 templates in there, 3 templates in there, simple welcome message, 2 templates in there, contact retargeting, 7 templates in there, customer retargeting, 9 templates in there. So you've got all these to use depending on what you want to use. So I'm just going to quickly build from scratch. And here is just a couple of tips for you before you start. So for me, I want to, let's change this to, I'm building my own email sequence for the free ebook I'm giving away. Free ebook, 7 steps. Okay, there's my free ebook. I go for subscribers. And you come to this page. And in this page is where you can create this workflow. So so on the right hand side, you got all these different elements. It's just drop and select, click and drag. Yeah, click, drag and drop. Really easy to use. So you've got all these basic actions. Subscribe, either they link click or message open, custom fields, contact copies. This is under scores and scoring and tags. And if you are running e-commerce stores, here's some couple of things for you to use in the e-commerce side of our business. Here are all the basic action where you send message, custom field, move the list, move the workflow, remove contact, wait, send push notification, copy the list. So a lot of options for you. So today I'm just doing a real simple basic workflow. So I have a landing page where I capture emails. So I have a letting page, a link on my TikTok account where people are going to click on that, and that landing page will. So now let's say what this is good for is, especially when you have a link that you send people to a landing page. For example, I have a link on my TikTok account. When people want a free ebook, they can click on the link, and this link will take them to a landing page where they say they want to download a free ebook. They enter their email address, and I capture their email address, and this will take me to, straight away after they enter their email address, my email sequence will start, where I firstly will send out the email. They will come into my email funnel, where they will get in here, and I'm going to send out the first email. I'm going to give them the free book. Okay, so once they've subscribed, I'm going to send a message, and I'm going to join these two workflow together, and I'm going to click on the message. I've got already written email, so I'm just going to add that as my first email, and then I go back to elements. I would say after that I will put a weight on it, and on the weight I can put it for 6 hours, okay, or 12 hours. I'll put it for 6 hours instead. And I'll join that two workflow together. Okay, easy. And then next I will put a new message, new email that I will send out, and I'll join it up together. And this time around I am going to create my own message. So I'm going to show you how to create your own message. I already have some emails written out, some swipes to use that I have compiled beforehand, so that makes my job easier. So that will be my first email, where I'm going to use that as a subject headline. Okay, go here, I will nominate my email that I sent out with. Okay, I'll copy the headline in, and here you can design your own message. Again, they have a lot of templates for you to use. You can choose whatever you want. It's all nicely made up for you. Check this out. Okay, all you have to do is click and change the content to whatever you want. For the sake of everything, I'm just going to use a blank template so that I will show you easily. I can just use the blank template and make an email. You can put a logo on if you want. Okay, now we are in the back end where we create our own email. Right, really easy. You can see all the blocks here. You can put an image, a text, a button, a video. You can use it. You put a spacer. You can put your social. So we want to put text. You can chuck on a logo if you want. I don't want to do that. I'm going to just copy those and action. This is how you create a simple email sequence. So I'm just going to keep adding, wait for one day, add another sequence, wait for another day, add another sequence. Okay? So now we have it. The final, how you create an email sequence or workflow in GetResponse. So guys, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell notification and give us a like. Give us some comment down below. It will be much appreciated. And watch out for the next couple of videos where I'll go through a couple more steps on how to use GetResponse. See you guys in the next video. Bye now. Bye for now.